The Cessna O-2 Skymaster, nicknamed Oscar Deuce and sometimes the Duck, represents a successful adaptation of civilian aviation technology for military purposes. In 1966, the United States Air Force commissioned Cessna to develop a military variant of the Model 337 Super Skymaster to supplement and eventually replace the aging O-1 Bird Dog in forward air control operations. The aircraft retained the distinctive push-pull engine configuration of its civilian predecessor, mounting one engine in the nose and another in the rear fuselage. This centerline thrust arrangement simplified single-engine operations compared to conventional twin-engine designs and enabled a high-wing configuration that provided unobstructed observation capabilities below and behind the aircraft. Military modifications transformed the six-seat civilian aircraft into a specialized observation platform. Engineers installed tandem seating for pilot and observer, added view panels in the doors for enhanced ground observation, and incorporated flame-retardant foam in wing-mounted fuel tanks. The military variant featured specialized communication and navigation equipment, deleted propeller spinners, and strengthened components to handle increased gross weight from 4,400 pounds, approximately 1,996 kilograms, to 5,400 pounds, approximately 2,449 kilograms. These modifications reduced fuel capacity by 3% and degraded performance at cruising altitudes, though low-level operation remained adequate. The O-2 first flew in January 1967, entering production in March. The USAF acquired 532 aircraft by June 1970, including 501 O-2A variants for forward air control and 31 O-2B versions equipped with loudspeakers and leaflet dispensers for psychological operations. During the Vietnam War, the O-2A served with the 20th Tactical Air Support Squadron. The aircraft proved particularly valuable for night missions after the OV-10 Bronco's introduction, as the Bronco's cockpit illumination rendered night reconnaissance impractical. Unfortunately, 178 O-2 Skymasters were lost during the conflict. Post-Vietnam service continued through the late 1980s with Air Force and Air National Guard units. 6 former USAF airframes transferred to the United States Navy in 1983 served as range controllers with VA-122 and later VFA-125 at Naval Air Station Lemoore, preventing attack jets from dropping below 5,000 feet during training. 2 aircraft later transferred to the United States Army in 1990, with the final military O-2s retiring from Yuma Proving Ground in October 2010. International operators included South Vietnam, 35 aircraft, El Salvador, 23 O-2As and 2 O-2Bs during the Civil War, Iran, 12 aircraft in 1970, and various nations operating civilian Model 337 variants in military roles. Zimbabwe operated 15 FT-337G Lynx aircraft equipped with turbocharged engines and armed with twin 7.62 mm machine guns. CAL FIRE selected 20 Vietnam veteran O-2s in 1974 for air attack coordination. California Conservation Corps members reassembled these aircraft, which had arrived disassembled on pallets. They served firefighting operations for over 2 decades before replacement by OV-10 Broncos. The O-2 Skymaster demonstrated that practical, cost-effective aircraft could fulfill demanding military roles through thoughtful modification rather than expensive ground-up design.